Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to Tim Can Cook. So today we're going to be making pickled red cabbage. Now I really like something like a pickled red cabbage to go with fatty dishes, fatty meats like pulled pork. And we're going to be making a Filipino pulled pork adobo sandwich on Bao Buns. When that video is ready, it'll be linked right up here under the eye. But we'll be doing that next week. And so in preparation, we're going to go ahead and pickle some cabbage. Now I'm going to pickle this whole thing, and I am going to package it up into mason jars like this one. And they'll keep for months in the cupboard. They'll just be hot water canned because they will be pickled, so they don't need to be pressure canned. I'm not going to show you that process. We'll do canning on another video. For now, we're going to do a quick pickle. Takes about 15 minutes. You can do this the day you're serving something, and it works very well. To start with, we have a cup and a half of white wine vinegar. Now we're using wine vinegar here because it's a little more subtle than just plain distilled white vinegar. You could use distilled vinegar if you want. I just happen to like the taste, the flavor with this. To that, we're going to add a half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of white peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of coriander. This is a common pickling spice. 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard seed, and a couple of bay leaves. Now we're going to take this over to the stove where we're going to bring it to a simmer, dissolve all that sugar, marry those flavors, and we'll come back and we'll pour this over our shredded red cabbage. So right for now, we're just going to go place it on the stove and we'll be right back. So all we're going to do here on the stove is just stir occasionally, get this sugar completely dissolved, get these pickling spices to release some of their flavor into this white wine vinegar. And once this is simmered for a few minutes, we'll be able to pour it over our veg and get beautiful pickled cabbage in just about 15 minutes. So hang on, we're about right there. So it's been about 15 minutes that our cabbage has been soaking in our pickling liquid, and you can see that it's turned quite purple. So let's give it a try. Very nice. Got a good crunch still. Very tart. Wonderful, wonderful quick pickle. This will go really, really well on our pulled pork banh mi, which we'll make very soon. There'll be a link up here in the corner when that video is actually available. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Share it with a friend. I am going to go ahead and make the rest of this pickled cabbage. I'll jar it up in ball jars and just hot water can it. It doesn't need to be pressure canned, just hot water canned. It'll go on the shelf where it'll keep for many, many months. I'll use it up long before it goes bad. Again, thank you. This has been a fun video to do. I know it's a quick one. I'll come back and join us again on Tim Can Cook. Thank you.